हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कल एग्ज़ाम होने वाला है बुक कीपिंग एंड अकाउंटिंग का सप्लीमेंट्री। ये उसके कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स 50 मैंने बनाए हैं, ज़रूर देख लीजिएगा। मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इसी में से ही आएगा। पिछले बार मैंने रुक जाना नहीं योजना के भी इंपॉर्टेंट दिए थे, सब कुछ उसमें से आ गया था। चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए। द पार्टनरशिप ओरिजिनेट्स विथ एग्रीमेंट। Receipts and payment account is a summary of cash transactions. Security premium reserve is shown under reserve and surplus. On dissolution of partnership, the assets of the firm are transferred to realization account at their book value. Reconstitution, ये जो रेड पेन से लिखा हुआ है ये fill in the blanks है. Reconstitution of a partnership is a change in relationship among the partners. For distribution of profit among the partners, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared. Company is an artificial person created by law. After dissolution of the firm, partners can transact their own business. इसके बाद द क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ रिसीट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट रिप्रेजेंट्स, क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? क्लोजिंग कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस. द बिजनेस ऑफ पार्टनरशिप मस्ट बी लीगल. द अमाउंट पेड बाय न्यू पार्टनर फॉर एक्वायरिंग ए शेयर इन द एसेट्स ऑफ द फर्म इज कॉल्ड कैपिटल. नए पार्टनर को कैपिटल आनी पड़ती है एसेट में हिस्सा पाने के लिए. द कंसिडरेशन फॉर डिबेंचर इज इंटरेस्ट. Goodwill is an intangible asset. New ratio minus old ratio, gaining ratio. Debenture is a written acknowledgement of debt. Old ratio minus new ratio, sacrificing ratio. Expenses incurred on realization of assets are charged to realization account. By product method, interest on drawings is calculated. The ideal current ratio is 2:1. Ideal liquid ratio is 1:1. Decrease in value of liabilities, firms gain. On the admission of a new partner, increase in the value of assets is created in revaluation account. On dissolution of a firm, bank overdraft is transferred to realization account. The main aim of non-for-profit organization providing service to society. Debentures are generally issued for cash. On dissolution of firm, first of all, external liabilities are paid. Debenture holders does not interfere in management of company. That part of authorized capital issued or offered to public for subscription is issued capital. When forfeited shares are reissued at discount, the share forfeiture account is debited. All the assets except cash and bank are transferred to debit side of realization account. When retired partner is paid the amount payable in annual installments, then the account maintained is annuity account. Amount due to deceased partner is transferred to legal representative account. Balance of share forfeiture account is shown in liability side of balance sheet. Receipt and payment account is a real account. Shares have face value while stock have no face value. Realization account is a nominal account. Cash flow statement is prepared in 3 steps. Current ratio is also called as working capital ratio. Gross profit ratio is calculated on net sales. Balance of capital in the fluctuating capital method is changes every year. Redemption of preference share is known as financing activity. Realization of loan is included in financing activities. Reduction in reserve for bad debts will be credited to revaluation account. The part of profit which is kept for distribution to shareholder is called as divisible profit. The general form of analysis is also known as vertical. Only revenue items are recorded in income and expenditure. Depreciation is not provided on goodwill. The registration of partnership firm is voluntary. General donation is shown in income and expenditure account. By gaining ratio, there is an increase in the ratio of old partner. In fixed capital method, partner's current account also made.